Kelly. Me. Smile for them, mama. You should have not look. My girl, leave the makeup up now. Hey, mama. Smile for mama. Hey. Hi guys, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Kaylee's 4 months update, and I actually jot down a few stuff. I don't want this video to be long as it usually is, and so I'm just going to get right into it. The first thing in the 4 months, well, it's been an ongoing thing. She's been trying to hold her bottle, and now I think she can hold it somewhat better. Listen, Goody wants to sit down. She wants to sit down. And so she is sitting up. I'm going to show you a video of her sitting up. Kelly. Kelly, hey. She usually get like, you know, forced to get up. I mean, tries to get up, and she usually struggles to like stay up, and she usually like fall to the side, but she's actually sitting up on her own now. I mean, I never had her there for long because I really don't want her to strain her back. If I said to her, come to mommy, she actually stretches out, like reaches out for me. I haven't gotten a video on that, but yeah, she know her mother very well. She still loves breastfeeding. Like, I don't understand, you know, you put the babies across, and the minute I put her across my leg, like she's stretching for my boobs. So she's definitely still a titty monster. I started giving her stuff, you know, like rubbing stuff on her mouth, and yeah, she had 5 people for them plates, so I had to start, you know, introducing stuff to her. And a lot of mothers say that they started at this period, and that's because, you know, when they get to 6 months where you can introduce like solid foods, it would be so much easier for her to, you know, like the stuff. And so I actually give her a mixture of like fruits, and I try giving her salad, so you know she knows different tastes. She don't just used to like sweets. She actually loves pineapple. She loves mango. Listen, she literally loves everything. It's been a lot. Like, she's still not sleeping very well. I'm thinking about introducing like the light cereal, which is Nestrum wheat and honey. You know, put 1 scoop in her feed and see if that kind of holds mama, and see if that holds her for a bit longer. Sorry, I'm shaking. She's on my leg. So yeah, she gets hungry like after 2 hours, you can say 3 hours max. So that's when she's literally starving. So I think she needs something that's more sufficient. I still breastfeed, as I said, but unless my boobs is like extremely full, then she's just she gets milk, but it's not sufficient. So I mostly give her it like in the nights and in the morning before I leave for work. She loves to drink water. Yeah, I started combing her hair as well. Oh my god, listen, I'm gonna have to just let her family do the job of, you know, combing her hair. As you guys can see, I did cornrow. I put some cornrow in it, and I'll show you guys a picture. She looks so cute. Yes, and I also, you know, like catch up her hair. Yeah, so it's coming on pretty well. I'm definitely enjoying motherhood, so that's everybody's question. Always motherhood, so I'm definitely enjoying it. Like the smile, like, you know, I put her like literally everywhere. Just seeing her face, it just makes my entire day. So yeah, she, you know, she's my little princess. Listen, she's fighting for everybody's phone, and she cannot use the phone. Hey mama, hey, you want to talk? Yeah, she's making a lot of sounds now. She's actually like laughing out loud when I'm like, you know, playing with her. If you're on my snap, then you guys will see the video of her laughing. So yeah, you know, she is the best thing that has ever happened to me, literally. I hope babe don't feel jealous. But yeah. So yeah, a lot of person been asking, Kaylee, little girl. So a lot of persons been asking me if I'm going to pierce her ear, and I'm just going to just I literally was gonna do it, but her dad says he wants her to make the decision of piercing her ear, and so I'm just going to let it be. My ears wasn't pierced as a baby. I actually pierced it on my own, and I got to ask what in for it. But I guess if whenever she gets a little older and wants to get it done, I'll definitely do it. But for now, it won't be pierced. So this is Lee, 4 months. Come, mama. Chubby cheeks. Hey. That's a smile. That's a smile, dear. She's the cutest baby ever. Oh my god. Hey, mama. You're smiling for the peeps. Hey, mama. Oh my god, she's so adorable, guys. I know a lot of persons going to ask me what wig I'm wearing and the tutorial for this makeup, so I'll just leave the link down in the description box for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this 4 months update. I'm trying to make these as short as possible. I'll just let you guys in, just fill you in on the exact details. Thanks for waiting, because I know the videos aren't coming as quick as I usually would post, but that's because times have changed. Like, I legit don't have the time to do stuff like that. So thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for the continuous support. It really means a lot. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye, babies. Kelly don't sleep. Okay. Kelly's 4 months update. Of course, something after months. Of course. Lee, just be there now. Kelly, she didn't appear with a man. What else am I missing? So a lot of person, Kelly, look out for the people them wig. Come. Hey, stop. Guys. Okay, the truck is sad to see. Of piercing her hair. Pierce her ears. No, like seriously, Tasha, I know what's happening. So thank you so much. No. So no, I'm to them vehicle.